Hello friends, welcome to my channel Oxford Reading Circle Book 1. Chapter number 2. Two little dicky birds. Words to learn. Two little dicky birds upon named other back. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. One named Peter, the other named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Translation. दो छोटे परिंदे Two little dicky birds sat upon a wall. दो छोटे परिंदे दीवार पर बैठे हुए थे. One named Peter, the other named Paul. एक का नाम पीटर था और दूसरे का नाम पॉल था. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. उड़ जाओ पीटर, उड़ जाओ पॉल. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. वापिस आओ पीटर, वापिस आओ पॉल.